So meanwhile, Hillary Clinton attacking Trump as she makes a big push to firm up support in the key battleground states. Rich Edson, live in Chappaqua, New York, home of Hillary and Bill Clinton. So where is Clinton today? What's her plan, Rich?
Good morning, Martha. Another contested state, another event on the economy. Hillary Clinton is heading later this afternoon to Pennsylvania, where we have two new polls showing a tight race in some cases in that state. First, a just-released Franklin and Marshall poll shows a fairly decent lead for Hillary Clinton, leading Donald Trump in a four-way race, 47-38. A Quinnipiac poll released yesterday shows a tighter contest, a 4 percentage point lead for Clinton in that poll. This as Hillary Clinton continues badgering Donald Trump on his 1995 tax returns, as reported in the New York Times, showing a $900 million plus loss, which you can use and apply to other tax years to offset future taxes.
Here's my question. What kind of genius loses $1 billion in a single year? Now, how anybody can lose $1, let alone $1 billion, in the casino industry is kind of beyond me, right? It's just hard to figure. But as a result, doesn't look like he paid a dime of federal income tax for almost 2 decades.
Clinton went on to paint Trump as a child of privilege who was bailed out by his father, though it wasn't all that long ago that in the Democratic primary, critics were knocking Hillary Clinton for six-figure speeches to Wall Street firms. Now she's talking about cracking down on Wall Street. Martha?
Well, anybody who's seen Atlantic City over the years knows what a lot of shuttered casinos up and down that area look like. But it's interesting. So Tim Kaine, obviously he's the man of the evening. So what are we learning about how he's getting ready for tonight?
Well, we've heard from our Jennifer Griffin, according to a campaign aide, that he's been focused on studying lots of policy over the past few days. He's been in Raleigh preparing for this debate from Thursday through Saturday. Sunday, he took off to go to church in Richmond, Virginia. And as we've discussed before, talk a lot about defending the top of the ticket. This is very much about, according to an aide, defending Hillary Clinton, as they expect Mike Pence, the governor of Indiana, will defend his running mate, Donald Trump.
Yeah.
Martha?
Rich, thank you very much.